OpenAI just mass deployed an AI that writes, debugs, and ships production code while you sleep. It is called Codex, and by the end of this breakdown, you will know exactly whether it is worth your money or a complete waste of it. Here is what most people get wrong. Codex is not a chatbot. It is not autocomplete. It is a full-blown, cloud-based software engineering agent that runs tasks in parallel, reads your entire codebase, writes features, fixes bugs, and opens pull requests, all without you touching a single line of code. As of May 2026, Codex lives on 4 surfaces: the CLI, which you install with npm, a VS Code extension, a dedicated macOS desktop app, and a web interface inside ChatGPT. Every surface shares your account and usage budget. But here's the part nobody talks about, and it changes everything about how you should think about this tool: the model powering it. Codex currently runs on GPT 5.5, OpenAI's newest frontier model. Before that, it went through GPT-5 Codex, then 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, and 5.4. Each jump brought faster responses and better real-world coding accuracy. GPT 5.5 handles implementation, refactors, debugging, testing, and even knowledge work artifacts. There is also GPT 5.4 Mini for lighter tasks that uses only 30% of your rate limits. Now the features that actually matter. Parallel agent threads. You can run multiple coding tasks at the same time across different projects. Worktrees keep every task isolated. Built-in Git tooling means Codex can commit, branch, and propose PRs on its own. Plugins, launched in March 2026. You can install curated plugins or build your own. Skills let you teach Codex custom workflows. Automations run tasks on triggers without you lifting a finger. Mid-turn steering means you can redirect the agent while it is working. AutoReview routes risky operations through a reviewer agent before they execute. And the latest update from May 14th lets you control Codex from your phone through the ChatGPT mobile app. Browser use is also live. Codex can operate a real browser inside the desktop app to click through your local dev server, reproduce visual bugs, verify fixes, and confirm that your UI actually looks right. No more switching windows. So how much does all of this cost? There is no separate Codex subscription. It is bundled into ChatGPT plans. Plus, at $20 a month, gets you about 50 messages per 5-hour window before softcaps slow you down, and 200 before hardcaps cut you off. Pro, at $200 a month, gives you roughly 250 softcap and over 1,000 hardcap messages per window. Pro also includes 20 times the plus limits. For unlimited usage, you fall back to the API at standard OpenAI token pricing. Heavy automated agents can rack up $500 to $5,000 a month on API calls alone. Now the honest part, the pros and the cons. Pros. Codex writes production-grade code across entire repositories, not just single files. Parallel threads mean you can hand off 5 tasks at once and review the results later. The plugin and skills system makes it customizable in ways no competitor offers. It runs Sandboxed, so rogue operations get caught by AutoReview. And the pricing is baked into ChatGPT plans you might already pay for. Cons. The Plus plan is almost unusable for serious work. You will hit hardcaps within 1 to 2 hours of focused coding. Pro at $200 a month is real money. API overage stacks on top, and heavy multi-agent runs can spike token usage 10 times normal. The desktop app is macOS only right now, and Codex is not an app generator. It does not build full-stack apps from a single prompt. You still need to know what you are building. Compared to Claude Code, Codex wins on ecosystem and parallel agents, but costs more upfront. Compared to Cursor, Codex wins on automation and cloud tasks, but Cursor has a more polished IDE experience. Pick Codex if you already pay for ChatGPT and want an agent that works while you do not. Bottom line. As of May 17, 2026, Codex is the most powerful AI coding agent available right now. But power is not free. If you are a full-time engineer shipping real products, Pro at $200 pays for itself in hours saved. If you are a casual coder, Plus at $20 is enough to test the waters, but do not expect to run it all day. Thank you.